Hi, my name is Jill Reipsa. I am the Director of Classroom and Community Programs for Junior Achievement. I wanted to give you everybody an overview of all of our programs, everything that we have to offer you amazing teachers. So here we have a list of all of our in-class or classroom programs. We start from kindergarten and we go all the way through high school. So our kindergarten programs really start small. They talk about themselves, their wants and needs, and you can see it kind of gets broader and broader. Our families, our community, then we go up to our region and our nation. So those are all of our elementary school programs. We have middle school programs like Economics for Success, Global Marketplace. It's My Business is a really popular one. And I think one of my favorite middle school ones is It's My Future. So it kind of gets them to start thinking of what their future might look like. So our high school programs, we have a lot of high school programs, excellence through ethics. We have Job Shadow, JA Personal Finance, and one of my favorite, and Career Success. And we also offer high school semester courses as well. So all of our programs have been redeveloped to be taught in person, could be remote, or in a hybrid model. So you'll have access to all of our materials on our learning platform, and all have visual presentations that go along with each lesson. So the lessons could be anywhere between 5 sessions, or for our high school programs, I think there's 7 or 8 sessions. So they're a little bit more in depth. So they're about 45 minutes each. So the scheduling can be really, really flexible. You can teach, on a Tuesday, Thursday, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, or you can just teach all the 5, 6, 7 lessons in one day, and we call that a JA in a day. So these programs could be taught by a teacher or a volunteer. So in each one of these curriculums, they come with student materials that you can access digitally. So you can download them to, usually if you're teaching from Zoom or Teams, you can download them. I've downloaded them to the chat through a downloadable PDF, or you can print them out. So we give a lot of options for all of the teaching, situations and environments that the teachers, have today. So I just want to talk a little bit about the teacher guide. It is super comprehensive. It is very easy to use. I've been a teacher for 23 years, and I know how daunting new curriculum can be. So I'm just saying these teacher guides are really, really full of, easy information, talking points, real world examples. It's everything from soup to nuts in your teacher guide. So there's really no, additional resources that you need or anything like that. We want to make it just as easy for you as possible. So for our community partners, we can customize any of these lessons, meaning say you want to teach high school, right? So you want to do, I really like career success, but I also like ethics. You can kind of pick and choose the sessions that you like. And you also maybe want to add something for personal finance. So we can customize for the needs, of your students. To anything that you see possible, we can pretty much make it work. So please reach out if you have any questions. You want me to explain any of the programs more in depth? I'd be happy to speak more with you. You can reach me at Jill@jasouthflorida.org. Thank you so much for your time.